going too fast. He's zooming everywhere. You're like Lightning McQueen. Oh no, the half cabs aren't as good as we thought they were.
Oh man, I'm trying to tail bash the tree, but I've never done one of those in my life. It's giving me a hard time. Ew, have some. One more try and then we're gonna move on. Try it again. It's a violation. Just have to touch it.
I wasn't prepared a minute ago.
Should we say anything?
No.
I almost got that though. Still look good?
Now you're scared.
That's crazy. What are the chances?
50-50? Yeah, I don't know what the end game is here. Don't hit your camera. If that wasn't strapped in all the way.
I like fucked this part of my lens up. Brian fucked the lens up.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Your body hitting the ground is the loudest sound. That counts.
I think I got a better one. Oh, I know it. I'm not doing it right now. I know
Best cardiovascular exercise.
I love it, bro. I love it. Thank you. What's next?
You were almost like that guy. You should insert that clip. Thanks for saying. You did a whole cartwheel. You're clip farming. I knew you were gonna say that.
I want to grind the whole fucking